Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Welcome back to Tea Time with Nami. Last December, my family and I visited Okinawa, the southernmost island of Japan. Mr. JOC will start sharing the series for Okinawa Travel Guide over on the blog, and I will be sharing Okinawan recipes. But first, we would like to share some video clips we took while we are in Okinawa.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you soon in my next Tea Time with Nami. またね!